Hi, it's Alex from Chad's Ford Fireside Shop, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Mendota FV44I Timberline Decor Direct Vent Fireplace Insert. An insert is designed to go into an existing wood-burning fireplace to make it more efficient and easy to use. The Mendota FV44I Timberline insert includes a huge 577 square inch glass viewing area and 29,000 BTU max input with the industry's highest efficiency ratings. It is competitive with the Cozy Heat Chaska 34 series inserts in that they both feature large viewing areas with reduced BTUs. This is great for people who don't need or want a whole lot of heat, but still want an efficient and beautiful and easy to use gas insert. The included ProFlame 2 remote controls the temperature, flame height, blower speed, nightlight, and electronic pilot. There is a battery pack containing 4 AA batteries, which provides enough power to allow the burner to ignite and be adjustable in the event of a power outage. Our Mendota FV44I Timberline is shown with white oak HD log set, red clinker fire brick lining, and wide gray screen front in aged leather. Mendota is well known for having the most options for log sets, firebox linings, and screen fronts of any manufacturer on the market. We invite you to visit our showroom in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, where you can see the Mendota FV44I Timberline insert, plus all the other insert options we display. Chad's Ford Fireside Shop, everything you need for the warmest hearth.